Welcome to the MLS Moment. Introducing the latest MLS-Touch updates, delivering a faster, smarter, and productive experience wherever you go. No more squinting for property lines. New clear parcel boundaries offer easily visible parcel lines on the map search. Get ready to start entering exact values for price, living area, or year built, or opt to use new intuitive sliders. Shared listings by email or SMS text will now have a one-home link, providing clients the same user-friendly experience as Matrix. Now you can share any listing via traditional modes of text and email, plus use social media platforms like WhatsApp and Messenger. What's in store for future MLS updates? A new listing module to make listing management more accessible, efficient, and convenient from anywhere. With Core AI, agents can upload listing photos or use voice prompts to generate captions and property descriptions, as well as populate over 250 listing fields. And finally, there's Core Plan, which will have you producing highly accurate floor plans and room dimensions, which can be uploaded to listings in seconds.